If the needle is not installed correctly, the thread may break during stitching. Let's learn how to install the needle correctly. Check the machine's needle. It's inserted the wrong way. The scarf, that small cut, is facing outward when it should face inward. That's why the thread keeps breaking. First, loosen the needle bar screw and remove the needle. Make sure the scarf, the cut, faces inward. Push the needle fully into the bar and tighten the screw firmly. Now the needle is fitted in the correct position. Let's check how your machine is working. Your Singer machine is running smoothly as always.